Teachers are invited and welcome to sit on the chair that has been provided. Also requested to all teachers to stand in the classroom line quietly and orderly to respect the assembly this morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to the most honorable headmaster of Sekolah Kebangsaan Kampong Star, Encik Muhammad Safian bin Ishaq, respected senior assistant of administration, Encik Muhammad Bikri bin Chipman, senior assistant of student affairs, Encik Samsudin bin Hashim, senior assistant of co-curriculum, Encik Cik Wan Muhammad Hairi bin Cik Wan Cik, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, thank you to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, because with His blessing we are here today for the weekly assembly. Next, to begin our assembly today, I would like to invite Muhammad Hasif and Muhammad Salfi to lead the recitation of prayer. Thank you to Muhammad Hasif for the prayer. With the prayer, we hope that today's assembly will be carried out smoothly. Now we are going to sing our national anthem, the song of Nabi Kedah and school song. Let us sing together. Now let us pay attention to the teacher on duty speech. With due respect, I would like to call upon Encik Zainudi to give some speech.
Thank you to our chairman today, Adik Nur Ain. Assalamualaikum. And a very good morning to Encik Muhammad Safian bin Ishaq, Headmaster of SK Kampong Star, Encik Muhammad Bikri bin Chipman, Senior Assistant of Curriculum, Sir Samsudin bin Hashim, Senior Assistant of Student Affairs, Encik Cik Wan Muhammad Eri bin Cik Wan Cik, Senior Assistant of Co-Curriculum, fellow teacher, school prefect and my beloved student. For your information, Teacher Ayu and I were two teacher on duty this week. So therefore, if you have any problem, please do refer to us. We will try our best to help you. So our topic for today is about respect. RESPECT, respect. Okay, before I go further, what is respect? And why is respect important? So anyone would like to try to answer my question? Two questions only. Why? What the meaning of the respect and why is respect so important? Okay, ready go for it. Okay, stand up. What is what is respect? Okay, in Malay when we translate in Malay, respect is hormat. But what the meaning of respect? Makna hormat. Yeah. Try in English. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, respect means that we accept somebody for who they are. When they are different for us. For example, for instance, different from race, religion, social status, and etc. Or you don't agree with them. That is meaning of respect. Huh? Every respect is when you feel good about someone because how they act. Showing respect is when you care how your action impact others. So how do you show your respect to others? As example, for instance, for your parents. Anyone? Ah, anyone who want to try? Simple sentence. Huh? How you respect your parent? Huh? Okay, okay. Actually, for parent, we can show by follow your parents' rule, instruction. Uh, how about your teacher? How to show your respect to your teacher? Teacher. Okay, if you see a teacher, what you will do? Huh? What you will do if you see a teacher? Huh? Greeting. Huh? Give a greeting. Huh? Assalamualaikum or good morning. Huh? So, being the golden rule of respect is treat others the way you want to be treated. Ha? Mana kita layan orang baik, orang akan layan kita pun baik. Ha? Okay? Okay or not? Ha? Okay, now why respect is important in our life? Hmm? Okay, respect is very important aspect in life. It will help you success in many different ways. Respect for yourself is very important to a person because it can be the balance factor of your life. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.
Tak mau dah. Tak mau dah.
Thank you, Encik Zainuddin. Hopefully, his advice will give us a lot of guidance. Sam kan? Next, I would like to invite our Senior Assistant of Student Affairs, Encik Samsudin bin Hashim, to deliver his speech.
In Jawa.
Baik, thank you, Ain. Okay, our respected headmaster, Cik Muhammad Safian bin Isa, both our senior assistant, Cik Muhammad Bikri, and so Cik Wan Hairi, teachers, and also my beloved people here. Today I am standing here to talk about respect. Since Cik Zainuddin giving you a more detail about respect. So I want to share with you a very simple respect. Just respect yourself. How to respect yourself? Study hard. Study hard and expand your ability to achieve your ambition. That's all. And then today also, uh, tengok Cikgu Zainuddin. Cikgu cakap bahasa Inggeris semua, kamu faham tak? Siapa yang faham? Sarah understand? Very good answer, Sarah. Since Cikgu Zainuddin also try his best to communication in English, you also. So start by today, you have to start your conversation in English. Respect yourself. Respect the teachers around you. When you respect all the people around you, the world will respect you together. Understand? Okay, that's all for today. I hope all the starring, starring, starring here will be number one in KMY one day. Don't. Okay, thank you to Cikgu Ayu for handling this English chip program for this week. And I hope all of you try to communicate in English very, very well and try to expand your vocabulary every day. And I try to note every single word that you have found today. Alright? Thank you. That's all. That's all. Thank you. First to you, one.
Kok lah. Saya budak tak faham.
Thank you to the senior assistant for his speech just now. With that, we end our school assembly for today. You may go back to your respective classes. Thank you.
Ay, habis tu.